Oh, wow. A source file is missing. Go to the plugin store. Hello, how's everybody doing today? Fixing the YouTube live chat thing. I had to update, what is this? What do I use? XSplit? I had to update XSplit, and it lost its plugin. There we go. Authorize XSplit to use YouTube Live. Not like I need it on here, but yeah. Choose a Google account, signing in, blah, 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 blah. So that worked. We're also live on Twitch. If you're here on Twitch, I have you connected to my screen. While I do not have the chat coming back here. Hello, Mini Killjoy. I'm here. I have the chat here. I have the Twitch chat here. The YouTube live chat is going on the stream. And yeah. So once again, we are working on this guy, the Squire. As you can tell by the title, it is day 12. In the description, there is what exactly we are doing. And once again, I am working on wiring. What exactly I'm working on, I do not know. But until then, that is where we are at. What the heck is in my chair? There it is. I had a screw lodged in a castaway. I don't know what I'm doing today. We're wiring, but like, in terms of what? Should I just start soldering stuff together? Like start cutting wires and running stuff? I wouldn't really know how to run stuff. But yeah. So the hot end wires are up here, but like can't really do anything with them because they're like this. Did you make your hot end feed through board? Yes, I did. That is somewhere over here. I do have the hot end feed through board done. That's done. I did that really early. I haven't really built the hot end yet. Probably do that. I haven't really like done the pre-wiring of the hot end. I've just done the feed-through board, which is over here. Yeah. Feed-through board and everything. I checked all the continuity and everything to make sure it works, and it does. Because it's not that I don't trust my skills at all, it's just that I don't trust my skills at all. God, this is such a mess. That's the right Allen key, yes. Yeah, I could probably, like, actually do the hot end stuff. Okay. So I guess we're doing that. So I'm going to be installing a copperhead in the printer because I have my copperhead, and that way I don't have to do the filing down to the groove and everything. And I have this guy here. So yeah, copperhead, that's gonna go right here, and then yeah, all right. Yes, that. I will need this. probably need this. 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 Boron nitride thermal paste. I'm gonna need this. I have the end stop in there with its wires and everything. This is the high temp thermistor for it. I can actually check that properly. Here's the heater. Done. So heater would go in here, and then like this, and then the heater is the same color wire. I love myself. Yeah, so our heater is ending up looking like that. If I bent these up, it looks like that. So heater should be in center wire. Okay. Yeah, I did blue for my wires because I didn't really. I do have the fan polarity right. I know that. I have the fan like polarity checked. I just didn't do the other one like that. So if we put it in like this, put the hot end in, it'll end up looking something like that. Assuming. So if I get it to look like that, but I can't really. Yeah, the wires with wiring. I'm assuming. Never put together nitride thermal paste. I'm buffer. Drop frames to 10 work. Only on one. Looks like it's keeping up now. Boron nitride thermal paste has kind of interesting. Also, I kept like everything in one bin, so I wouldn't lose it. Right now, at the moment, I cannot happen there. Okay, so this is their boron nitride thermal paste. So I found the slice boron nitride thermal paste. That will make me feel better. I have never actually built a thing with the boron nitride thermal paste. Have zero experience with it. The thermistor wire is too short. Don't cut it. The wires are near impossible to strip and solder. Yeah, I would assume so. I've had to deal with the Prusas and everything, so I would assume it is very similar to that, but this is high quality. So I don't really know how to build these. Oh yeah, the wires are perfect at like the perfect length for the thermistor, like literally the perfect length. Crud, I'm buffering again? saying I'm having excellent connection. Like, is it still buffering? Okay, have you ever built a mosquito hotend before? Because they give this boron nitride paste, and I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. Like, is that what I'm putting inside of the heater cartridge? There's probably instructions on how to build it. Let's pull it up on the phone, see what we got. Assembling mosquito hotend. Glass bead thermistor, E3D thermistor cartridge, yada yada. Unscrew the set screw from one side of the heater block. Unscrew the set screw from one side. Apply the thermal paste to the smaller 3mm diameter hole, enough to make contact with the thermistor on all sides and hold it in securely. You don't want too much, just enough to allow the thermistor cartridge to make contact with the heater block. While wet, insert thermistor cartridge until it reaches past the set screw. There's a set screw? Oh, there is a set screw. Okay. Until it reaches past the set screw. Okay, so I'm applying a little bit in each of them. Okay, so I'm applying a little bit into each of them, but I need to find the screws for this. If I can't find those screws, I'm screwed. Puns. But no, but like actually. Also, apparently I need this connector, but I also need to shorten it. But I think these Molex 2 pins are the same ones. So I can use those. Haha, they are the same. They are the same. And I just need to put the pins in, which will be these guys over here, I think. What Molex pins do I put in there? I don't know. Are those the male headers or the female headers? Those should be female headers. So I think I put the female pins in there. Yeah, like that would make sense. Because the inside of this has the pin sticking out, so it would make sense to put the female ones on this end. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna unconnect this. This should be a pretty quicker stream. So I'm just gonna be doing this here. Am I dropping frames again? No. This thing says it's fine now. I need to find those damn screws. Shoot. Again, organization is key. I'm gonna switch to the be right back screen because I'm gonna be moving around and frantically moving, so. found the screws. I only tore up my entire desk in the process, but I found the screws. So yay! So if we're going here, we want to probably trim the wires like right here. So if I'm thinking we're going to like here with these wires. Those are way too long. Should probably lock this hot end into place. Well, I'm right here. Let me find the clamping piece. I can't find the piece to clamp this down. It's amazing. I don't find it in this mess of blue plastic. Starting with this printer stuff. I can't find it, which means I'm going to have to reprint it in what is not the standard color. I also don't know what screws I used to mount this in. My chair is falling again. Keep going, come on. It's your process. We do this every stream. 3x45 and 3x30s. And 3 washers. 5x16s and 5s. I guess we're going with these because I don't really feel like finding the other ones. And these are long enough, I believe. I figure out how well we're going to make them work. These are M3x12s that I'm putting in here. I don't really have the patience to deal with any other screws. Try and find them. And these are good enough. I'm gonna fasten down what's going to be the thing where my English language is lacking. Where the motor is going to go. That's the word. Motor. Like M3 by like 12 or 10s. Because M3 by 10s are not long enough. Like M3 by 16s. 12 is not long enough. M4. 35 is too long. 25 is too long. M3 by 16. I feel like those are going to be good. But yeah, those should be pretty fine. I'm just gonna pop these things in. So it says put a little bit in here. Shit. Oopsies. Paper towel. Crap. Nice job on my half there. They gave like these little spready thingamabobs. I feel like those might be helpful with getting the sheer amount of thermal paste that I just put in there out. Oh, it seems like this tool is solely provided to get all of the excess off when you done goof up and shoot the entire CC of it into the cartridge. Awesome. Okay. So now that we did that, let's put just a little bit on the side that's going to get the heater cartridge, sorry. And then slide that into place. And then we're going to wipe out the excess. And then it says just like allow to dry. It will take like an hour. So there's a little Q-tippy thing there. I don't really know if this stuff is toxic to the skin or not, but I'm going to assume that it's not great for your skin, and I'm going to wash my hands now. I'm going to assume it's not toxic for your skin, but I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, so that's that. We're going to cap this now. So it says wait for it to dry before you put the screws in, so we're going to do that. And apparently that can take an hour, so... Oh, I got a bunch of paste on the block, too. How about that? We're going to... Let's, I don't really know what that quite is. Let's mount the fan on this. God, I have to look at the photo of the copperhead hotend again. Where does the cooling fan go? Gotta have the cooling fan go somewhere. It's probably gonna go there, but do we want it on the... Yeah, we want it on the side, not on the front. Why do I think it goes in the front? I don't know. Prusa's, that's why. No, Prusa's are on the side. What printer do I have that goes on the front? None of them. They're all on the side. Now, the one that I'm building right now has on the front. Never mind. It's fine, we didn't need the bag anyway. So you're telling me the fan they provide does not fit on the screws holes? You're telling me the fan they provide is too small for the... What am I supposed to do? Mount it onto one spot? Like... Amigo. It's not quite really how this works. I can't just mount this in one spot. That's just stupid. Mount it in two spots, it's just not going to be straight. Whatever. Guess it's just how it is. It's just gonna be on a weird angle. Okay. I'm gonna have to shorten the cables on this too, and it's also not in the right spot anyway, so. Okay, so what we're gonna do is flush cutters, please. Is my soldering iron plugged in? No. Great. Okay, so flush cutters. Where do they go? I really hate myself right now. Really hate myself. Stream. I'm just going to do this off camera. It's not really any interesting, and I'm pretty sure anyone who would be building their printer would know what they're doing in this